Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the first time, thank you very much. God bless you. So in this episode, we are going outside. We want to see pig. So we have some food for the pig. As you can see, this is the food for them. So we want to see see how they are doing. Okay, thank you. Follow me. So I'll carry the food. Just do it like this. Good morning. We brought this food for your pig. This is cassava leaf.
Cassava peel.
Peel. Yes.
It was yesterday that we are supposed to bring it, but the rain. It was.
I wasn't even around.
Okay. The rain was.
Okay. Yes. Hmm.
The rain was so much. The rain was so much. So viewers, this is an update for the pigs. This is how the pigs are doing.
Get out.
Wow, this is huge. Okay. Okay, you've prepared this place. I see. You'll be rotating them. Very healthy pig, viewers. The pig is urinating.
But you can see the valve
Mm.
become big. has become
Yes,
big. It
yes.
means the time to give birth is due.
Okay, I
Yeah.
see.
The time to give birth is due.
So
maybe from today up to maybe
the
2 weeks
pig
time.
is pregnant right
Yeah,
now.
this one is
Okay,
pregnant.
I
From
see.
today up to maybe
2 weeks
2
time.
weeks time.
Okay.
It can deliver.
Okay.
Yeah.
So viewers, we'll cover up the delivery documentary about this. Okay. So let's see their food. Okay, these are the cassavas. Yeah, the cassava peels. Yeah, because of
drying it, so in the afternoon. Yeah, we are drying the cassava
the
peel
cassava
in the
peel.
afternoon. In the afternoon, you can just put some small into the
Okay.
so that they can chew it. Yeah.
Okay.
But their actual food is maize, oyster shells, soya beans,
Okay.
fish meal, salt. You mix it together. Or if you like, you can go and buy the prepared feed, which we use it for poultry. Yeah, chick. So you can use that food for them. If you want them to be healthy and then to grow well, you have to do it like that one. That way, yeah. So for the cassava peel, just for by the way, let's say just by the way. Yeah.
To support them in their
afternoon time.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right,
And
viewers.
the one you are seeing, they are just maybe 2.5 months.
I see.
Yeah, winners.
Winners.
Yeah. They are very nice. They are very nice. Okay. Thank you.
All right, viewers. If you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop your comments in the comment section. Tell us what you think about these pigs, and if you need any further information, Mr. Joshua's phone number will be on the screen.
The water. If it is going inside the
So viewers, we are checking the water construction. So this is how we constructed the water so that the pigs can have their water anytime they desired. This is
you put into the tank.
Yes,
and then
the poly tank is over there.
Here is the connection.
Yes, so here is the connection.
Yeah, you can lock it.
Yes,
you can open, you can lock.
Okay, so it goes like
if
this.
you put their food inside this thing, when you put when you put their food in the pen,
yes,
you have to lock so that they will not add the water to their food.
Okay,
they will spoil it. So you lock it. After they have eaten, you open it so that they can drink water too.
All right.
Yeah. So this is the connection.
So this is the water connection. Yeah. It goes down. So each, like here now, it
one
goes here, one
here,
there. Okay.
Another one here.
Like that.
Yeah.
And okay.
One can serve 10 pigs at a time.
Wow.
One nipple can serve 10 pigs
at a time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can see they have finished eating.
Yes, they finish eating.
They are satisfied.
Okay, viewers. Viewers, this is a pregnant pig. In about 2 weeks, it will deliver.
Yeah.
So
as for this one, they have extra, let's say 2 months to go.
2 months, okay. All right. Oh, little chicken, co. How are you? All right, viewers, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Mr. Joshua's phone number is showing on the screen right now. So if you need any of the pigs, contact him for your sales. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. and drop your comments. Don't forget to share with your loved ones. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.